In this video, we want to prove that if n is an integer, then n cubed plus n squared plus 5n plus 7 is even if and only if n is odd. Okay, so let's start off with n being odd. And we want to prove that n cubed plus n squared plus 5n plus 7 is even. Because n is odd, we can write it as 2k plus 1, where k is some integer. And we're going to substitute n equals 2k plus 1 into this expression. So n squared becomes 4k squared plus 4k plus 1. N cubed is 8k cubed plus 12k squared plus 6k plus 1. So we're just going to plug it in here, simplify, combine like terms, and end up getting 8k cubed plus 16k squared plus 20k plus 14. And notice that these are all even coefficients, so we can factor out a 2, which means that it's even. And so if n is odd, then we showed that n cubed plus n squared plus 5n plus 7 is even. Now let's do the opposite. Let's look at if n cubed plus n squared plus 5n plus 7 is even, then n is odd. Well, what we're going to prove instead is the contrapositive. That is, if n is even, then n cubed plus n squared plus 5n plus 7 is odd. So think of this as an inverse of the one-side direction we started off with. So let's start off with n being even. That means we can rewrite it as 2k, n equals 2k, where k is an integer. And we can substitute n equals 2k into the expression to get 8k cubed plus 4k squared plus 10k plus 7. Note that the first three terms have a factor of 2, so we can factor that out, and then we add 7. Notice that 7 is just 2 times 3 plus 1. So this is even, and then this is odd. So even plus an odd is an odd. And so what I did here was, well, I can factor out a 2. I can write 7 as 2 times 3 plus 1, and then this part right here goes in the parentheses, the 7. That's 2 times 3, and then plus 1 remainder. And so this will just call, this whole inside will just call m. So this is in the form of 2m plus 1, which obviously that's odd. So therefore, n cubed plus n squared plus 5n plus 7 is odd. And so this proves a contrapositive. And so we showed both directions are true. Therefore, n cubed plus n squared plus 5n plus 7 is even if and only if n is odd.